but literature. Oh, hi. How's it going?
Oh my gosh, I wanted to do it.
This is great. What a great library. I kind of feel like we're in Mr. Body's mansion. We're gonna play Clue in a second. I'm gonna put my money on Colonel Mustard, Candlestick, in the library.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Oh, it's raining.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right.
Oh, she's
Speaking
gonna
for the
die.
show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that.
Oh, electrocution. See, what did I tell you? Death. Basement.
Now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
The Twilight. Oh! Oh! They got this down to a science. They got numbers on the floor and everything. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a tourist destination now. The Twilight Zone. Okay, that is not a good sign.
Row 6, top left.
It's empty.
The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling.
Okay.
Or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
That is words of wisdom. For great service, look no further than the Hollywood Tower Gift Shop. Woo! Check this out. Room service. Service. Oh. We are not going to talk about this, okay? We are not going to put this on YouTube. Ugh. I repeat, that will not be on YouTube.